Hey there. Welcome to Code DevPay Academy. Today, we're learning how to easily add references and build an index in Microsoft Word, a crucial skill for creating professional documents. It's not hard at all, and I'll walk you through every step. Let's get started. Referencing in MS Word is made easy with Word's built-in referencing system. You can find this tool on the References tab on the ribbon. It allows you to add citations within your text and generate a bibliography at the end of your document. Before inserting citations, it's important to set the bibliographic style. Here's how. Open your document and click on the References tab. In the Citations and Bibliography group, click the drop-down next to Style. Choose the style you want to use, for example, Harvard. Now you're ready to insert citations. To insert an in-text citation, click on the References tab. Select Insert Citation. If you've already created a source, simply pick it from the list. If not, choose Add New Source. Fill in the necessary details and the citation will appear. Need a placeholder for later? Click Insert Citation and choose Add New Placeholder. Name it something specific. Remember, no spaces allowed. After inserting citations, you'll want to create a reference list or bibliography. Place your cursor where you want the list to appear. Click the drop-down arrow beside Bibliography. Choose your preferred format, Bibliography, References, or Works Cited, and Word will do the rest. If you update or add new citations later, don't forget to update your reference list. Simply click anywhere in your bibliography and select Update Citations and Bibliography. You can also add page numbers to your citations. Click on the citation. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Citation. Enter the page number in the Pages box and click OK. Now, let's talk about indexing in Word. An index lists key terms and topics discussed in your document, along with the page numbers where they appear. To create an index, first mark your entries by selecting text and clicking Mark Entry under the References tab. You can mark a single occurrence or all occurrences of the term. Then, insert the index by clicking Insert Index in the References tab. Choose your formatting options. And just like that, your index is ready. When you select text and mark it as an index, Word adds a special XE index entry field that includes the main marked entry and any cross-reference information that you may choose to include. After marking more entries after creating your index, you need to edit or format the index entry and update the index to see them. An index entry can also be deleted. In this quick session, we explored how to use referencing and indexing in Microsoft Word. We learned to set the bibliographic style, insert in-text citations, create a reference list or bibliography, add page numbers to citations, update references, mark entries for an index, insert and format a professional index. You're now ready to make your documents look super professional. Keep practicing, keep growing, and stay tuned for more skills at Code DevPay Academy. See you at the top.